Hello and welcome. My name's Adam Pratt, and this is another Chaos to Memories course. Did you know that there are at least 7 different dates that can be assigned to a single digital photo or video? That's a lot of options, and it can be really confusing. Photos and videos, by their very nature, are a capture of a moment in time, a moment that will never happen again. Therefore, I believe that organizing digital photos and videos chronologically is the best approach. But what if the dates of your digital files are wrong or missing? If you've ever faced this, you know how much of a nightmare it can be. Of course, you could fix each file one by one, but that'll take forever and be prone to error. As a professional photo organizer, my average client has 60,000 digital photos and videos. So you just can't afford to fix these problems one by one. Instead, you need an efficient, automated way to fix incorrect dates on digital photos and videos, as well as scanned photos and converted videos. In this course, you're going to learn about many of the date formats, which ones are important and you need to pay attention to, and the most efficient way to fix these incorrect dates so that they can be organized chronologically and automatically. So who's this course for? It's for anybody who's serious about organizing photos and videos. That includes photo organizers and photo managers who have to unravel crazy messes for their clients. Serious amateur photographers who want to organize their photos. Pro photographers who want to organize their photo archives. Photo scanning specialists who want accurate dates on their scanned photos, and video conversion providers who want to assign accurate dates to converted videos. So what will you get in this course? Well, you're going to learn everything you need to know about working with dates and times once and for all. And we're going to do it for digital photos and scanned photos, converted analog videotapes, and digital video files. You're going to learn how to solve 10 common problems related to dates and metadata for digital photos and videos, and we'll cover the details of those 10 problems in the next lesson. But before we get there, let me tell you a little bit more about myself as your instructor. Who is Adam? Well, I'm an Adobe certified software expert, and I have a love for teaching and a love for efficient workflows. I've been teaching software for more than 20 years. I am a published book author. I've written and edited many books about software and creative workflows. I'm also a professional photo organizer, so the workflows that you're going to learn in this course come out of my own experience, and that involves a lot of scanning. I scan tens of thousands of photos a year, and dating and redating those accurately is important to me and my clients so that they have a good archive of their family memories. Students of my other courses have described my teaching style as well-organized, thorough, clear, even life-changing. I hope you'll join us. There's a few more free lessons in this course that will explain the exact problems you're going to learn how to solve and what software you'll need to accomplish these workflows. So let's keep going.